Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you my optimized settings for RTX 3070. To optimize the game for an RTX 3070, you want to balance visual quality with performance to maintain smooth gameplay, ideally targeting 60 plus FPS at 1080p or 1440p resolutions. And here are my suggested settings. Alright, first one here is the graphics settings, resolution 1440p, which is recommended, or 1080p for higher FPS. DLSS balance or performance for better FPS if needed. Ray tracing, set it to medium for immersive lighting with playable performance, and also disable ray tracing entirely if FPS is below your comfort zone. About the texture quality, set it to high. Shadow quality, medium or high. Lowering this to medium can save performance with minimal impact on visuals. Ambient occlusion, of course, medium for a good balance between aesthetics and performance. Volumetric effects, medium. Post-processing effects, chromatic aberration, off. Motion blur, off. But you can turn it on if you like motion blur, alright? Me personally, I like motion blur. But for you, just for this optimization video, just go ahead and try off. Depth of field, medium or off for sharper visuals in gameplay. Anti-aliasing, the TAA, recommended for reduced jagged edges with minimal performance impact, is temporal anti-aliasing. In the NVIDIA control panel, preferred refresh rate would be set to the highest available, which is under global settings. Power management mode is set to prefer maximum performance. Low latency ultra mode, set it to on or ultra. Texture filtering quality set to high performance. Frame rate and VSync, enable a frame cap of 60, or basically just enabling VSync, alright, to prevent unnecessary GPU strain. Disable VSync if you are using a monitor with G-Sync, alright. Monitor settings, ensure you're using a 144Hz or 165Hz at least, with G-Sync for the smoothest gameplay experience. Expected performance with these settings, 1080p. You should be able to get 70 to 100 FPS with DLSS balance. For 1440p gaming, should be able to get 50 to 80 FPS with DLSS balance. Ray tracing off can boost performance by 15 to 20%. Alright, this should get you 100 plus FPS. And that's basically it. I hope this video helps, and please don't forget to share this video to your friends. And if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.